The Laresar Robot Vacuum 4000 PA is a versatile cleaning device that combines vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping functions to effectively manage household cleaning tasks. With an impressive suction power of 4,000 pascals, this robotic vacuum excels in removing pet hair and debris from various surfaces, making it ideal for pet owners. Users can conveniently control the device through an app, remote, or voice commands, allowing for customized cleaning modes and schedules to fit individual needs. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, the Laresar Robot Vacuum can operate for up to 150 minutes, making it suitable for large homes with extensive cleaning requirements. Its intelligent carpet detection feature automatically adjusts suction power when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, ensuring a thorough clean without manual intervention. The ultra-thin design and obstacle avoidance technology allow the vacuum to clean under furniture and in hard-to-reach areas, providing a comprehensive cleaning experience.